Hi friends, it's me Chloe. Come an adventure. We are the ladybugs.
Do you want to go higher, Chloe?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Give you a little push. Good work.
High up in the sky.
High up in the sky.
Up on my legs. Pull in and out. Pull in. Pull out. Pull in. Pull out.
Good girl. That's how we swing, isn't it?
Yeah, it makes me go higher by itself.
Nice job. Should we go on the slippery dip?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll slow down. We'll...
Not that one because not the big one.
Just a little one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on that one. Yeah, I'll help you. Okay, Chloe, let's go to that slippery dip.
Yeah! This right here.
Oh, this one. Climb up the stairs. And which way are you going to go?
This one.
And what colour's that slide?
Green.
It's green, is it?
Yeah.
You go down the green slide. Yeah, nice job. You gonna have another go?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you want to go the other way, across the rope?
Yeah.
You show us.
Be careful.
You be very careful and hold on tight.
I'm holding on to this.
Oh, nice job, Chloe. Got your feet right on the middle of the rope there and holding on tight with your hands. Oh, you're very quick. Look at that, nice little path you went down. Oh, Chloe.
Huh?
Is it good in the tunnel?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at you in the tunnel.
Okay.
Oh, nice job. Oh, you're climbing up through the hole. Big and strong now.
Yeah.
Holding on tight, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at me yet. I'm doing up high. Hooray! Yeah, I'm doing it. Bouncing,
Bouncing. Look at you. Bouncing on the rope. Watch where you put your feet. Very windy today, isn't it, Chloe?
Yeah.
Come across here to the platform now.
This is a
Good job.
spider web.
Like a big spider web, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Nice friendly spider.
Yeah, for spiders.
Beautiful spider. Oh, that's where we're heading now.
I'm heading to this.
Up you go.
Up I go. How about not going?
Here comes your brother. He's right behind you. You're going to have a swing, are you?
Yeah. I'm just having that swing. I'm having this swing.
Holding on tight, aren't you?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yes, right down here. Look at this. These are for little children. I'm on. This is for children. I'm on.
Like climbing a big mountain, isn't it?
This is
Good.
a mountain. This is a little mountain.
Just a little mountain for you. Oh, back over the rope bridge. Nice job, Chloe. Back down the slide. Okay, guys, where are we going to go to now?
We are going to go to the unicorn playground.
Yeah.
I found some rubbish, which is not supposed to be here.
What are we going to do with that, Jed?
We're going to put it in the bin.
Oh, do we bring the trash bag, do we?
Hooray!
Oh, we'll put it in our trash bag and we'll take it with us. Oh, did I hear someone's got ice cream for sale?
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. I love ice cream.
I'm in the shop
What flavour have you got?
I got strawberry,
Yeah.
strawberry,
It's pink.
strawberry.
Blueberry. That's blue. Oh, that looks like a lovely blueberry one. Thank you. And how much?
$2, please.
$2. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy. You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a good day. See you monster, Jen. Get off the roof.
What are you going to be, Jen? The roof monster. Ooh.
Hello.
Oh, Chloe's a bit scared of the roof monster.
I'm a friendly one.
Oh, it's a friendly roof monster. It's okay, Chloe.
I'm very friendly. I help people. I help
Ah,
people
there you
a
go.
lot.
You don't have to worry.
And I help
It's
the
the
planet.
friendly roof monster.
This is a beautiful place.
Yeah, it is beautiful down here, isn't
Now,
it?
can I stay here?
Yeah, we'll stay here for a few more minutes and then we'll go see the unicorns. What have you found here?
A ladybug.
Ah, the ladybug. That's why we call it the Ladybug Playground.
It's bouncy.
It's very bouncy. Look at your hair go. You're going to be so dizzy.
No, I'm getting a little wobbly.
You are getting all wobbly, aren't you?
Like a jellyfish.
Like a big jellyfish.
Look at me.
Jellyfish riding a ladybug.
What is that right there, Jessica?
Not sure. Let's go and have a look.
Yeah.
Hey Chloe, where are we off to?
Going to the unicorn playground.
Nice one. And show me how you go on your scooter. Hey Chloe, look what we found here.
What?
Have a look. Go slowly.
What?
Wow, what is it?
It's a water fountain.
Wow, it's a big creek. Look at that.
That's going to the end right there.
Down to the end where the lake is.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very
I'm going
good.
for a walk.
Can you hear it trickling?
Yeah.
Nice sound.
Yeah, it's trickling, Daddy. There's another one here.
Let's have a look. Wow, be careful, don't fall in. Look at that big pipe where the water's going down.
Look at that big tree.
Where is the big tree?
Down
Oh,
there.
the big trees are falling over the creek.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay.
Looks very nice. Are we ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Up the big hill. You're almost at the top already. Look how fast you are. It's a lovely place, isn't it? Around the big corner. I can barely keep up with you, Chloe. Hey Chloe, you having fun?
Yeah.
How far do we have to go?
We have to go long way.
A long, long way.
Yeah, I can go faster.
Much faster than us. Much stronger, much, much stronger.
This is a beautiful place. Oh, I see the lake.
You see the lake, do you? And flowers. Blue flowers.
Yeah. And I see a beautiful lake.
Let's have a look at this sign here, Chloe. What does that say?
That says, go somewhere to the ghost. One there.
It shows us where the little creek flows into the lake and then it goes into the ocean.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey Chloe, what's this?
Huh?
What have we found here?
Because I wanted to.
Wow, big bridge.
Yeah.
Look at that. Don't climb on the rail though. Really dangerous, that running water.
To pull in.
Yeah, you don't want to fall in.
No.
We stay on that side of the fence and we don't climb up.
What is that?
Lovely, isn't it? A little stream that runs down into the lake. Should we ride up round the corner?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This way, right here.
Yeah, let's go.
I see a butterfly.
Where's the butterfly?
Butterfly.
There it is, I
No,
see it.
it's landed on there.
Wow.
It's cute.
I see it. Let's go and have a look. Oh,
He's flying. He's
there it
flying.
goes. Flew away.
He's flying away. He's going back to his mommy. Hello. One. Oh, what's this? Oh,
Oh, very bumpy down this track.
look at that way there.
What is it?
It's that.
Wow. What have you found?
I found this roof right here.
Oh, some wood.
I can paint it, I would.
Would you paint that if you could?
Yeah.
All right, what colour would you paint it?
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah, my pink is my favorite.
I like your helmet. Your favourite colour.
Whoa.
Wow.
This is a big hill.
Big hill through the bushes, isn't it?
Whoa. Look at all these things. This is a bird hearing. There's someone out there.
Where have you taken us, Chloe?
We're taking us right
It's
to
like
the
a jungle track, isn't it?
Yeah. This is a long journey because I flew slowly.
Go slowly. Gotta be careful, don't we? Look
Whoa.
at that.
Oh, it's slippery.
So slippery.
Oh, this big wood is not good. Not plugging.
Oh, what have we got here, Chloe?
Huh?
What have we got here?
We got a piece of wood here.
Piece of wood, big tree roots everywhere. Do you want me to grab your scooter?
Yeah.
Okay, you pass that to me. Oh, big muscles. Okay, now you can climb down.
I go on every side I do. Oh,
Good job.
dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, I see.
Their mummy, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's Daddy and Mommy.
There's some babies, Jed, in the trees there. They're grown up now, but they were little babies a few weeks ago.